Hello, and welcome to today's session on bilingualism. Although many studies have been carried out regarding bilingualism, those which were conducted before 1960 regarded learning two languages as a hindrance because research at the time considered that learners were being forced to distinguish between two or more language codes, which is more than they could handle mentally. The time and energy spent on these concurrent languages was believed to delay the learner's linguistic development. Understandably, in today's world, these views are seen as somewhat flawed. More recent examination has shown that the ability to switch between languages has, in effect, resulted in more positive activity in the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex of the brain. This is the region which greatly influences the executive functions of the brain, such as cognitive flexibility, working memory, and abstract reasoning. Hence, according to research, being bilingual implies that your brain is actually more actively involved and healthier. In addition, neurologists have noticed how certain aspects of language learning have influenced a bilingual brain. It can be said that the brain's left hemisphere generally dominates and analyzes our rational processes, while the right hemisphere addresses emotional and social contexts. Although it is not an absolute division, it is safe to say that in language acquisition, children's brains use both hemispheres due to the neuroplasticity, i.e. the functional and physical flexibility of their brains, which are still developing. Adults, on the other hand, tend to use their left hemisphere when learning a language. So what does this imply? It basically means that being bilingual has important implications for the brain with regards to how it processes and represents the two or more languages being learned, and how it changes as a consequence of learning languages in general. In fact, when learning another language, the benefits are multiple. In addition to having a healthy and complex brain, being bilingual may delay, by up to 5 years, the onset of Alzheimer's or dementia because of the extended workout this type of brain receives during its lifetime. Furthermore, knowing more than one language can definitely enhance your competitiveness and facilitate communication in the global marketplace. If you would like to explore more on any of the topics discussed, click on the links provided at the end of this unit. As always, remember to observe what is happening in your classes and be a reflective practitioner.